lipstick. So I'm very excited for today's video. I am doing a dogs pick my makeup video. So they have already chosen my makeup. I have two dogs, a black lab and a pug. The only one here right now is Schnookums. She's our pug. And if you guys don't follow us on social media, you wouldn't have known, but Schnookums lost her eye recently. So she is now a one-eyed pug. Thank you. She's missing her right eye. Very common problem in pugs with their really shallow orbital bone. So she's doing better now. She had her stitches out a couple days ago. And yeah, she helped me pick my makeup today. She's a little sweetheart. Yes, she is. Yes. So let's put some makeup on this face. So I'll be inserting clips of each of these choices that they made. But the first one is primer, and they chose the e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer. Milo chose most of these because Schnookums was not cooperating. She found a bone and was just done with it. So, pick one. Pick one. What are you sniffing over here? Which one you want? This one? This one? No? This one? This one. You like this one? Okay, we'll use the e.l.f. one. Can you pick? But I do really like this primer. It's a really good primer for pore filling. Not the best at the drugstore. I do love the Revlon one, the Revlon pore filling primer, the most. But this is good. Next up, foundation. The one that they chose is the Sephora Bright Future Skin Tint. I've never used this before, so they chose a brand new one. And we'll see how this goes because I don't know how much coverage a skin tint has. Can you pick a foundation for Mama? Pick a foundation. Oh, that one. First one you sniffed is the Sephora one here, which actually I recorded this earlier and it didn't save, and they picked this one before too, so actually Schnookums even picked it. So that's kind of weird. Okay, so that's not terrible. If you're looking for a really light coverage with a lot of sunscreen in it, I definitely think that this is a good choice for you. It does look a little bit dry, so I think it might be a little bit better suited towards oily skins. For concealer, they chose Tarte Shape Tape, so I'm going to put this on my under eyes and around my face and try to conceal. I'm not sure how this is going to work with being a full coverage concealer and then a foundation that's like barely anything. Now before I powder, they chose a cream bronzer for me today, the Temp 2 bronzer. So I'm just going to squirt some of this on the back of my hand and put it around my face. Contour. Come on, babies. Pick contour for Mama. Well, he sniffed this one first, so I guess it's this one, which I hate. Does this have shimmer in it? I never noticed that before. It totally has like flecks of shimmer in it. Great. Not my favorite. Alright, so that's not too bad when you don't put too much on. Now on to powder. They chose the Too Faced Cocoa Powder in Fair. Milo, pick one of these. Come on. Hey, pick a powder for me. Okay, well he picked this, which actually goes with my... Hey, let go. This is actually the powder pad that goes with my Too Faced powder, so we're going to use that one. Go around and set the rest of the face. For blush, they chose the Laura Geller Blush and Brighten in Roseberry, which is actually one of my favorites for wintertime. It's a really beautiful deep pink with a little bit of shimmer in it, so it gives the face a nice highlighted kind of glow. Mom. Milo, pick blush. Schnookums, can you pick one? Oh, which one? Schnookums. Oh, there's a bone in there now. Why does this keep zooming in? Can you pick a blush, please? Which one you want? Milo. Schnookums, which one? Oh, Laura Mercier. Good girl. Good choice. Alright, and for highlight, they chose the Physicians Formula Powder Palette in Mineral Glow Pearls Translucent Pearl. I'm actually pretty surprised in how well all of these products go together. They picked all cool tone stuff, except for the bronzer, of course. Alright, time for highlight. Oh, great. This one, Physicians Formula. I was hoping you picked Jeffree Star. You didn't pick Jeffree Star. Hey. Now for eyes, they went ahead and they picked my Naked 2 palette, which I haven't used in quite a while. So I'm just going to come up with a real quick cool toned look. pop it on, and we'll be right back. You pick a palette? Naked 2? Alright. I was gonna empty them on the floor, but he went right for them, so we're gonna go with that one. This one here in Tease, Pistol, and Blackout. Oh, and then Booty Call all over the lid. So I used 4 colors total. And yeah, it just came up with a really simple look. Now for brows, they picked my e.l.f. pencil in the shade, it's the dark one, the like almost black one, so this is not going to be good for my hair color right now. But we'll go and do it anyway because they picked it. This will be a little bit harder because this is mascara and eyeliner, so I might have to take them out. Unless I can get them to pick. There, I put them on the floor. Which one you want? Which one you got? Well, you kept going for this e.l.f. one, the little tag. I think the first one he sniffed though was this one, which I'm not thrilled about. It's a dollar store, AOA, dollar website mascara, and I hate it, but he sniffed it first. Alright, so those are the brows, and next up we've got mascara, which I'm not thrilled about. This is an AOA, actually, Unused Cosmetics from the Shop Miss A website mascara, so this is only $1, and it's definitely one of those dollar store products that's just a disappointment, that just doesn't work well. Okay, that was actually better than the first time I used it, so I'm pleasantly surprised by that, but it's still not great. And now lastly is lip, and they chose the e.l.f. Tea Rose liquid lipstick. I really wear this store of lip products. I'm going to have him pick out of this one. Milo, can you pick a lipstick? Oh, he went for this one first, the Japanesque. This one? Or the one under it? This one? That one, okay. He wants the e.l.f. liquid lipstick. Alright, and those are the lips. So this is the completed makeup look chosen by my dogs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and have a great day. Say bye-bye, Schnookums. Say bye. Yeah, she doesn't care.